Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Science 1 question bank give scientific reasons. If you are watching my video for first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let us start. First we will discuss gravitation lesson give reason. The question is value of acceleration due to gravity is more at poles than at equator. That is the question. We know that Earth is not exactly spherical in shape. It is bulged at the equator and flattened at the poles. So, the value of radius is large at the equator and less at the poles. And we know that the value of G is Gm upon r square, where capital G is the universal gravitational constant, m is the mass of the earth, and r is the radius of the earth. Okay, this radius is in the denominator. As we know that as r increases, G value will decreases as it is inversely proportional. Now, we can see that in this diagram, the value of r is less at the poles because it is flattened at the poles. So, as the value of r decreases, G value will increase. That is why value of acceleration due to gravity is more at the poles than at the equator. Is that clear? Now, next question is, the value of acceleration due to gravity decreases with increasing height from above the surface of the earth. We know that if the object is at a height h from the surface of the earth, suppose this is the position of object at a height h from the surface of the earth. We know that this is the radius of the earth and this is h. So, in the equation of G, R will become R plus H. So we can write G is equal to Gm upon R plus H the whole square. Okay. With the radius of the earth, we have to add the height of the object from the surface of the earth. That means the quantity in the denominator is increasing. As this increases, the value of G will decreases. Understood? So we can write as the height of the object from the surface of the earth increases, distance between the object and center of the earth, this is increasing. That is why the value of G decreases with increase in height. Now, next question. The value of acceleration due to gravity decreases as we go deep inside the earth. As we go deep inside the earth, the value of G will become G is equal to Gm upon R minus D will come, where D is the depth, R minus D the whole square. So this value is decreasing. At the same time, as we go towards the center of the earth, okay, what will happen is the portion of the earth above the object is not considered. The part of the earth above the object is not considered. So what will happen is the value of m will decrease, where m is the mass of the earth. As we go deep inside the earth, r minus d, this value will decreases. At the same time, the part of the earth above the surface of the object is not considered. So, m will decrease. At the same time, this value will, r minus d will also decrease. So, combined effect of these two values, the value of G will decreases. Is that clear? Now, let us solve the next question. When we drop a feather and a heavy stone at the same time from a height, they do not reach the earth at the same time. We know that the motion of an object is accelerated due to gravitational force on the body. As the object is moving downwards, the buoyant force and frictional force will act on the body. What is buoyant force? Buoyant force means upward acting force. That is buoyant force. And the force which opposes the motion, that is what? Frictional force. So these two forces will be acting on the body when the object is moving towards the earth or when it comes down to the earth. So in the case of feather, this force is greater. And in the case of stone, the buoyant force and frictional force are much less than the weight of the stone. So it does not affect the speed of the stone. But these two forces are greater for feather, so it will affect the motion of or the speed of feather. That is why when we drop a feather and a heavy stone at the same time, they do not reach the earth at the same time. Okay. Next question is, weight of any object is different on different planet. We know that weight formula is W is equal to M into G, where small m is the mass of the object. Okay, this mass of the object, it remains constant. It will not changes from place to place. Acceleration due to gravity value we know, formulas we know, that is G is equal to Gm upon R square, where m is the mass of the planet and R is the radius of the planet. Here in this equation of W, small m and G, capital G is the universal gravitational force. These two are constant, but m upon r square, that means mass of the planet is different for different planets and radius will also vary. So these two values will change. That is why weight of any object is different on different planet. Next question is, the value of acceleration due to gravity for the object thrown vertically upward is taken negative. We know that Earth will attract all the object towards its center. That force is called a gravitational force. So the gravitational force on any object will be acting towards the center of the Earth. So the direction of acceleration due to gravity is also towards the center of the Earth. Here the object is moving upwards. So work is done against acceleration due to gravity. Object is moving against gravity. That is why the value of acceleration due to gravity is taken negative for an object moving upward. Next question is, the value of G becomes 0 at the center of the Earth. We know that G is equal to Gm upon value of acceleration due to gravity, or formula of acceleration due to gravity is G is equal to Gm upon R square. That is, acceleration due to gravity is depending on mass and radius of the Earth. We know that capital G is a constant. So it is depending on value of mass and radius. As we go deep inside the Earth, the distance from the center of the Earth will decreases. R value will decreases, and also the value of M will also decreases, as the part of the Earth above the object is not considered. So M value will also decreases. As a result of this, the value of G will become 0 at the center of the Earth. Due to combined result of change in R and M, value of G becomes 0 at the center of the Earth. I hope you all understood the give reason. Now remaining part of give reason we will solve in the next video, and the link of PDF find correlation is given in the description box. You can download it from there. So that's all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to share with your friends and classmates.